Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did do this analysis on Friday, and not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today. Massive volume, and the price reacted very nicely with it. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Yes, this line still pertains, but it's not relevant anymore at this point in time, and I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, so I'll just go ahead and get rid of that. So let's first start by talking about some of these levels of support, then we'll talk resistance levels. The ideal level of support going forward, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above this pink line here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. Now, if the price does break below it, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, what would be the optimal situation? What would be the preferential situation? Yeah, definitely staying up above that pink line right there. From a broader scope of things now, just to kind of measure the health of the move, what do I mean by the move? Well, right here, from where it was below 270 to where it is right now. So the health of this move, keep an eye on that purple line down there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And the very black and white way to look at that is, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control of this move. The bulls are in full health. And however you can best visualize that. But like I said, that's just a very black and white, a very straightforward way to measure kind of how this current move is doing health-wise and strength-wise. Again, as long as the price is above the purple line, bulls are owning the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. I'm not sure if the price broke through this point or not, but let's see right here. So yeah, did some battle right there around $4.10. So $4.10 going to be that initial area. I realize the price did temporarily break above it, but can never close above it. Therefore, still got to be considered an area of resistance. After $4.10, next key level up there at $4.35. So all in all, very nice day. And as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows, like it's been doing the past couple of days, ever since it seems to have bottomed out here, it's been putting in higher lows. And then obviously, this is a much higher low. Then the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.